Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to earn cool money with this app. Okay guys, so guys, this app we are going to earn $5 every day with this app, and then there are three ways in order to earn money with this app. There's three ways to earn money. The first thing here, let me just tell you that if you are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I release video like this, you'll be the first one to see the video. Okay guys, so first thing here is that I'm going to share the link down below this video, so that when you follow the link, first thing is you first get the $5 welcome bonus. Okay guys, after the welcome bonus, how can you generate money with this app? Here we go. Now the first thing here is by sharing your internet data. So just on your internet data, you can see it here. I have two accounts. Let me just show you here. You can see it here. You can see it here now. So this is my second account, and as you can see, I have connected this one to my internet data. Okay guys, so this one is generating income underground, so that if you see it later, you will see that I will earn money through. You can see it here. This place will be updated continuously like that, and then you can earn money through your sharing your internet data. The second one to earn money is by offering. Okay, the second one is by selecting this offer wall, so that you can complete offer. So when you complete offer, you also earn a lot of money. For instance, now let me just click on the offer. As you can see, this many offer here. You can complete all this offer. You can see all this offer, whether you can download Europa Casino. When you download it, you get coins. So when you get coins, so 100 coin equivalent to $1. So that is the conversion. So 100 coin equivalent to $1. So that is how you can earn money with this app through offer wall balance. The third one to earn money is by referring your friend. You can refer your friend. You can go to your referral link and send it to your friend, and then from there you can earn money. That is three way, without doing nothing, without wasting money, without using any of your money. So that is how you can earn money through this app. If you want to get the app, you can go to your Play Store and download the app for maximum benefit. Okay guys, so but if you follow the link, you are going to get $5 welcome bonus. Okay guys, so guys, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then you turn on the notification bell so for more videos like this. Peace.